Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to change name in Gmail account. So let's start. So most of the people assume that their email name and their email username are the same things. However, this is not the case. Your email name is the sender name that is displayed when you send an email, whereas your email username on the other hand is your email address. So let's start how to change the name in Gmail account. So first of all, open your browser, then enter the URL www.gmail.com, then log in into a Gmail account using your username and password. So click on next. So once you log in into a Gmail account, then you can see the interface like this. Then over here, you can see the gear icon. So click on the gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, you can see the option see all settings. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, you will be redirected to this page. And over here, you can see the option account and import. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, over here, you can see the link edit info. So click on the link. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page or one pop-up will appear. So in this pop-up, over here, you can see my current name is Tech Guide. Now I want to change this name. So to change this name, first of all, click on this radio button and change the name. So type the name as per your choice and then click on Save Changes. So in this way, over here you can see the name Tech Guide 009. So in this way, we can change the name in Gmail account. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.